Alrighty, so welcome to today's lesson. Make sure it ends there. There it is. Today we look at Venn diagrams and two-way tables and how they're related and how to fill them out. So we'll kick off with this first one in the light green area. It asks us to draw a Venn diagram. It says we've got 55 students. That lets us know what we should have at the end or the total. And they're asked if they've got iPhones or Android phones. 32 students have an Android, 25 have an iPhone, and 5 have both. 3 have neither. So we'll go through with a common mistake first. So here we are, 32 have an Android, so I put 32 there. 25 have an iPhone, which is in this side of the Venn diagram. 5 have both, and 3 have neither. Okay, so if we look through that, we go 25 and 5 is 30. Plus 32 is 62, plus 3 is 65. Now we know that we were told earlier that it's 55, so what have we done wrong? So it's a common mistake, but one we can easily fix. So if 5 people have both, that means those 5 people are included in that 32 and this 25. So instead of 25 people on their own having an iPhone, 5 of those people actually also have an Android. So we can subtract the 5 off the 25 and also subtract the 5 off 32. So if we do that, take those out, we can see now that 3 and 27 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 20 is 55. So we have our total 55. Okay. Now, question. Copy the numeracy Venn diagram into the following two-way table. So in a two-way table, we've got the affirmative that has an Android and then those that don't have an Android. Same as we have the affirmative for those who have an iPhone and those that don't have an iPhone. So let's start with this box here. We're going to start with that one there. They're the people that have both Androids and iPhones. So we know that that makes up 5. Then those who have an iPhone but no Android are these ones here. That's 20. And you can see our total then is 25, which sits pretty well because over here we're told that 25 people have iPhones. Didn't say if they had Android as well though. Down the Android column, so continuing down this one, we've got those who have Androids but not iPhones is 27. And that equals to 32. Then this box here is those that don't have Androids and don't have iPhones. So we saw that that was 3. So this universal space there. And we can add that up to 23. Add this side up to 30. And we can add both of these columns. It doesn't matter which way we add it. And that will come to 55. So then we're asked, find the probability of choosing a student at random who has an Android. Okay, so we'd have to consider those that have the Android and the iPhone, as well as those that have just an Android. So if we look at that, that means we are considering this here. All right, so take that into account. We have, sorry about this E here that's just appeared. I'm pressing the shortcut button that's not working. So we've got 32 out of 55. Should put probability and let's just put A for Android. So that equals 32 out of 55. Now, if I try to simplify that, we got 2 goes into the top but not the bottom. Off the top of my head, I don't think we can simplify 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 goes into the top but not the bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 16. Yeah, so that would be our correct answer for that one. Now, find the probability of choosing a student at random who only owns an iPhone. Okay, so only owns an iPhone is our iPhone, so we don't consider this one here, the iPhone Android combination. We want just those that own an iPhone. That one there. So if we take that into account, we are going to have probability of only iPhone is equal to 20, and that's out of a total of 55. Now, hopefully we can see that both of those have, we can simplify that. So 5 goes into both of those, and that is 4 over 11. Last one, draw a two-way table, then Venn diagram of the following. 30 people are asked. 3 have cats only, 5 people have neither cats or dogs, and 10 people have only dogs. Okay, so the top column is always blank, and we've got people who have cats and no cats. So the apostrophe up there is for no cats, and then we've got a total, and then we've got people who have dogs and no dogs, and then a total. Okay, and that's a really common setup for the absolute setup. So we're told that 3 people have cats only, so that's going to be over here in the cats only with no dogs. 5 people have neither cats or dogs, so they're over here in the don't have either. And 10 people have only dogs, and they're over here in the dogs but no cats column. So there's not enough information there right now to finish this off, but we also were told that 30 people were asked in total. So we've put 30 over there. Now we can start adding them up and placing the missing values in. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now I know that 15 plus what for this one here, for that one there, 15 plus what equals 30, and that is 15. And then I go, right, I've got 3 plus what equals 15 for this cats column, so that must be 12. And then I can add up this one across here, which is 22, and we can see that 22 plus 8 equals 30. So that's all good there. Now, putting that into my wobbly Venn diagram. Okay. Alrighty, so dogs and cats, we said that there was 12 for both. Then I'll put dogs on this side, cats on this side. Those with, so dogs and cats was 12. Those with only dogs was 10 here. Then those with only cats was 3. That's that one there. And those with neither was 5. And that is transferring the two-way table down to there. Okay, so hopefully that helps. If you like the video, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to keep up to date with things as they come out. Happy home learning, gang.